Mr. G here, and I'm going to show a really cool A minor alternative chord. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now, what we'll do is we'll play that open E on the 6th string. We'll play that open A on the 5th string. We'll take our ring finger on the 4th string on the 7th fret and play that A. And then we're going to take our index finger and just bar it over strings 1, 2, and 3, E, B, and G. See, just bar it over like that. And you can play all 3 of those notes. And when you pull it all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's really cool. A minor alternative open chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.